Gold and silver both stayed pretty much in range as we discussed in the Asia session analysis today morning that a sell entry is only below 78 and a buy entry above 88. Precisely, it has been swinging on the lower side of this zone, which is a no trade zone. Now, what to expect at the same time? Silver also similarly 24, 25, 10, 25, 30 was the no trade zone. Precisely, it is traded in the same zone. So, what to expect now? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. And yes, you can also remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, if you look at the gold's movement, see moving averages, the price diverged here, converged till towards moving average. Moving average is climbing up. One over other is still bullish. It is taking support from the 20 period moving average right now. And but at the same time one must observe that the bullishness here and the here, this is also a breakout getting diminished, which means price is not willing to stay bullish here. There is a downward push here, that is what I can sense, and it is still trying to respect the zone. So if it stays below 1978, you can expect 1975 as the support here, and then 1970. Only below 1970 you can say that it is trying to reverse, where we may get a good bearish moves taking it till towards 67, 64 and 60 levels. Now 60 is the maximum and strongest support here for gold. Only below 60 you should treat this as a reversal, and then we can expect it to crash. Now if you look at the hourly charts, you'll find it is consolidating here, not willing to go up, not willing to go down at the same time. See, stochastic is comfortable here. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is also trading with a negative bias here. Coming to the 2-hour charts, taking the support from the 20 period moving average, still trading in this bullish channel, which is say higher highs and higher lows. Hence, let it break below 75, below which you can take a sell entry now. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is also almost trading flat. Coming to the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Just look at, see, this is a reversal sign. You can see this candle and this candle symmetrical. This formation symmetrical. Now, if it breaks below 1975, you can say that we are going to get this movement which was seen yesterday. It could try to come back further lower and try to achieve this price. Possibility exists, and hence you can stay short below 1975 levels. This could be a potential reversal indication here. Stochastic dropping here. MACD has crossed over for a sell. It is trying to trade with divergence, which means few red candles more. RSI is flat near to top. It has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour charts. See the rise here. First of all, bullishness getting diminished in these two candles. You can see half the size. Now see, half the size is done. What is next? Quarter size possibly, but I don't think so that it is willing to give that. At the same time, yes, it is still giving higher highs, higher lows. So below 75 you can initiate a sell entry, but remember we have to be cautious. The 20 period moving average is lying somewhere around 70 to 73. Now 70 to 73 is also a Fibonacci number, which is a great support, and hence if we are taking a sell entry at 75, we have to remain cautious till 70, because below which only the bears will kick in and the sellers might take the prices further down there. Now if you look at the 4-hour chart, the previous candle was an indecision candle, higher lower lows, lower highs, and this candle is also almost trading in the same zone. Stochastic looking down, MACD willing to cross over for a sell, RSI trading near to the top here. Coming to the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, higher highs are done. It was trading outside Bollinger Bands, getting a push here on the downside. Let it break below 75 and see, first higher highs, which means higher lows, which means 70 to 73 is still a great support. And if it breaks below 70, then you can say lower lows will also be seen. We may see it hitting 64, 60 levels also. Be careful here. It can completely reverse. This could be the reversal indication, if, and we may get a symmetrical candle here. Possibility exists with higher lows. We have to be watchful here. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is extremely divergent bullish. Candle size have flattened here, which means that the peak is done. Possibly a conversion here can be seen. and the RSI is almost trading near to. Looking at this, you can sell here at 75, buy at 85, on the upside 88, on the downside 72. These zone 72 to 88, $16. Be careful. Still you will fetch $3 profit if you are selling at 75, but chances of it to break below 70 exist strong. If it breaks below 72, the chances for it to break below 70 exist strong, and hence below 70 further bearishness might kick in, which might take the prices till towards 65, 64 and below levels. On the upside, if it breaks beyond 85 now, we may see 1991 levels, and in fact it can fly for 96 and 2000 also, and hence you can initiate a buy entry at 85 levels where we can expect more bullishness. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 75 and 85 levels. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on first week of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. If you look at silver's movement, see rise there, retracement here, rise again, retracement here, rise, retracement to the 50 period. And you can see it is still sideways movement. This time, see, till here it was higher highs. This time it is almost form a double top. And if you look at, if you divide it into two, you will find this is symmetrical, which means below 25.10 it is still trading between 25.10, 25.30, and below 25.10 we may see little more drop, but 25 is a greater support, and only bearishness is if it trades below $25 levels. Remember this fact here. Now see, stochastic is very near to top. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, looking downwards. RSI is flat. Coming to the 2-hour charts, if you look at on the 2-hour chart, see very clear, taking the support from the exponential moving average 20 period. But see, higher highs were seen here. This time it has failed to go up, and this indicates that the prices are not willing to stay bullish. And this probably is also a symmetrical formation here, and hence below 25.10 you can initiate a sell, but then be careful of 25, 24.90, 24.80. Till 24.80 it has got extremely, in fact I will include 24.70. Till 24.70 it is just 10 cents trailing stop loss. Now see, this is not me which is giving you, who is giving you a smaller trailing stop loss, but it is the movement. If you look at, this is the complete movement here, and hence if the price come down, it has to follow these steps of 10 cents, and hence you have to be careful. Remember, price can reverse any point of time till 24.70 if it is trying to drop then and you have to put a trailing stop loss. So sell entry below 25.10, and yes, you can buy at 25.30. Now see, if buying at 25.30, you can see the Bollinger Band limit is also kept here, which means that there will be more downward push than the upward momentum. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is almost flat here. Now looking downwards, it is trading with slight divergence. RSI is also looking down here on the 2-hour charts. Coming to the 3-hour, similar observation, the price so far respecting the 20 period exponential moving average, which means we have to be careful till 25, and in fact till, as we discussed, 24.70 levels. Now on the 3-hour, just too much of, see, a very small momentum is seen in silver, and hence a breakdown can be very strong. Stochastic looking downwards here. MACD trading bearish with divergence here. RSI is overbought on the 3-hour charts. Coming to the 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour charts, on the contrary, you can see symmetrical. Candle size almost half this size. Now this is trying to go up. Now it is still in the middle of it, not willing to go up or down. But the previous candle had a double bottom, which indicates that there could be a breakout on the upside. So possibility exists that beyond 25.30 we can see a good bullish move till towards 24.50 levels. Now look at silver here. See, silver so far higher lows are seen. Moving average is now at 25, which is definitely a great support. And silver on the 4-hour charts is still shying away from the 20 period exponential moving average, which increases its chance for it to come back till towards 25 at least. Stochastic looking down. MACD is divergent and bearish here on the 4-hour charts. RSI is near to overbought levels. And coming to the daily, on the daily charts, we are seeing bullishness getting diminished here in these two candles. And also if you look at the highs are beautifully aligned. So till 25.30, do not trade silver. Also look at this, higher lows are seen. So it has to break out. Now a good comfortable sell will be below 25, where you can expect it to drop till towards 24.80. And if it does, certainly you can say that we may see it dropping till towards 24.60 levels. Now this is one observation. Stochastic is overbought here, consistently trading overbought for on the daily charts. The MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. It is converging here, and hence possibly we may see it getting a pull down or a pullback on the downside. RSI is overbought here also, and hence I will recommend you to sell at 25.10, but a comfortable entry should be below 25, where you can expect 24.90. And see, till 24.70, 24.60 levels, you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Cannot avoid, you cannot run away from what is the reality, and hence just accept the reality. Put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. There are resistances, very strong resistances at 90, 80, 70, 60, and hence please put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. On the upside, above 25.30, I look at 25.50 levels, which is definitely a good resistance on the upside. Now see, this candle can be replicated here, which means 25.40, 25.50 levels can get achieved if it continues its momentum on the upside. Hence buy at 25.30. But remember, upside is limited. That is my expectation, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.